Hi everyone, welcome to my shower routine. To start off this cocoa and shea butter shower routine, I am lighting my candle just to set the mood. This has a nice vanilla undertone to it. And y'all, look at these beautiful flowers that Rose Forever sent me. You guys can order your own. They will last for up to a year or even more with the proper care, but they are preserved roses and they have so many different options that you can buy, and it is the perfect Valentine's Day gift. And lucky for you guys, I am working with Rose Forever to do a giveaway. So in order to enter this giveaway, you have to subscribe to my channel, follow Rose Forever on Instagram, and comment below your favorite rose color. The giveaway will end towards the end of January, beginning of February, but I will choose one lucky person to get some flowers. But you do not have to just get flowers from the giveaway. Feel free to order with the link in my bio. Now let's start this shea butter and cocoa butter shower routine. To start off this routine, I'll be starting off with my Ivory Soap. I love using this soap as a base soap. It is great for sensitive skin. I have been using this for years, and honestly I like it better than the Dove sensitive skin soap. I feel like it works better for my skin, but of course everyone is different. But actually on the Yuka app it does rate higher, and typically Ivory is cheaper. So if you haven't tried Ivory bar soap, definitely try it. But it's always important to start off with a nice base soap, because I feel like I can use this pretty much everywhere. When you have all of those scented soaps, sometimes you cannot use them everywhere. For instance, I cannot use scented soap like on my back because I'll break out. But I make sure that I'm getting behind my ears. Also make sure that you guys have a nice washcloth. This will definitely help get your skin nice and clean. I definitely want to invest in one that is longer so I can get my back even better, but stay tuned for that. I probably will have that maybe in the next shower routine once I actually order one. But after I did that, I am just washing my legs. So I'm making sure that I get my legs nice and good. You want to make sure that you wash your legs. I know some people would just let the water run. No, you need to actually get down there with your washcloth and wash your legs and feet to make sure that it's getting cleaned. But yeah, I love taking showers. I feel like when you have a washcloth and you are really scrubbing, that your body will just feel nice and clean afterwards. So yeah, definitely make sure that you have one of those. And next, I'll be using my Tumeric soap from TikTok shop actually. Now this soap is great for brightening your skin and also helping with dark marks, because I believe it does have kojic acid in it as well. I hope I'm saying that right. But on TikTok shop, it had so many great reviews, so I had to try it out. I'm just now starting it, but I am using it currently on my back and chest because that's where I will break out and have some dark spots, and also my face. So let me know if you guys want a review of this soap, but I have high hopes for it because the reviews were just so good, and the photos I can definitely see people were seeing their dark marks actually go away. So I'm hoping that will happen with me. But this shower routine is definitely geared towards having that bright skin, because I feel like shea butter and cocoa butter just does that. So I wanted to make sure that I'm using my turmeric soap to kind of help with that brightening of my skin. And next, I'm going in with my Dove Pampering. Now this does have shea butter and vanilla. This is not a vanilla scented shower routine, but it does have a little bit of vanilla in there. But I'm just going ahead and using that. Dove, of course, has amazing body washes. It lathers well. It smells amazing. So this is definitely one of my favorites. I want to try some more Dove body washes. So comment below what's your favorite Dove body wash so I can give it a try. But I am just using some more so I can get my legs as well, because I want this scent to be all over. Now for my scrub, I am using my vanilla scrub by Tree Hut. This is not cocoa butter or shea butter scented, but I just wanted to make sure that my skin will have a nice smoothness to it, and exfoliating will definitely do that. So that's why I'm using this scrub. Maybe they do make a scrub that is shea butter or cocoa butter scented, but I feel like vanilla pairs very well with it, so it's okay that we are using this. But yeah, I'm just using the scrub and I'm washing it off of my body. And now I'm using the scrub on my legs. I feel like this is what I really love the scrub for, is my legs and my feet. Because I feel like definitely on the feet, like on my bottom, that's where the dead skin sometimes is, because we are constantly walking and using our feet. So yeah. And now I'm going back in with that body wash so I can get that shea butter scent back in there. Since I did not have a shea butter or cocoa butter exfoliator, I just wanted to get that scent back in there because that's the key to layering. Now that I'm out the shower, I'm using this Shea Soft Lotion by OGX. Now this lotion is thick, you will see. I feel like, and it's not even thick, it comes out pretty smooth and kind of on the thinner side, but I feel like you have to really rub it in, which to me makes it kind of thick. But it actually coming out is not that thick, but rubbing it in, like, look at me, it looks like I have sunscreen on my body or something. Like, I don't think I needed to use that much, but I will not be ashy. I will definitely be nice and soft. But the smell is amazing. I love this stuff, and this lotion has lasted me a pretty long time. I believe I got it from TJ Maxx actually, and now I am just using it on my legs. As you can see, you really just have to rub it in, but once you get it rubbed in, you'll be good, and I feel like you will not be dry, that's for sure. But learn from me, I feel like a little goes a long way. But it's fine. Sometimes the more the better. In some cases, I will be nice and moisturized. And now I am just using it on my other leg, just rubbing it in all good. And now I am going in with my cocoa butter. I actually got this from my trip in Punta Cana, and I love this stuff. It is a little bit hard. That's why I'm over here like scraping it essentially for it to come out. But I probably could melt it, but honestly, it's fine. It's typically, based on the temperature that you're keeping it in, but mine is pretty hard. But that's okay, because we're going to add some of my Cocoa Radiant Oil by Vaseline. I love this stuff, and I'm just mixing the two together just to kind of soften up that cocoa butter. And this just had an amazing cocoa scent to it. I feel like this definitely set the routine off because my skin was glowing, but also it just smelled amazing. And of course I got mine from Punta Cana, but you can get cocoa butter literally from anywhere. You can go to Walgreens, Target, Walmart, the beauty supply, and they do have some cocoa butter that's already kind of melted, if that's the right word you want to use, more so liquefied, or you can get some cocoa butter that is kind of like mine, where it's hard. But look at my legs, y'all. Like, I am just glowing, and I feel like just mixing the two definitely is a nice thing to do. And sometimes I don't like using oil by itself. Now I'm using my Cocoa Shimmer Vaseline stick. This is what it looks like. It has a nice little golden tone to it, and I feel like it is nice. I'm just trying to show you guys how it does have like that golden tone to it. But I love to use this like on my neck and my chest area and my shoulders, because I feel like that's where people will actually see it. Of course you can use it in other places, but I will sometimes just put this in my purse too, especially in the summertime if I just want to glow away essentially. But I love this stick. I feel like it is easy to just apply. Like, look at my shoulder, y'all. Y'all see that glow on my shoulder? It is shining. But yeah, I just wanted to add this to have a little bit of sparkle to my body in a way and look a little bit more golden. And for my scent, I'm using my Sol de Janeiro 62. I'm not trying to use too much with this because I still want that cocoa butter and shea butter scent to come out, but I feel like this pairs really nicely. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.